Thinking about remodeling your kitchen, but worried about space and budget? A 10 by 10 kitchen might sound limiting, but it's actually the perfect canvas for creating an efficient, high-end cooking space. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about transforming a 100-square-foot kitchen into your dream culinary hub.
Let's start with the money talk. According to the National Kitchen and Bath Association, most minor kitchen remodels run around $11,000, while a full custom rebuild averages $28,000. For a 10 by 10 space specifically, you're looking at roughly $100 to $250 per square foot. That means a complete remodel typically falls between $10,000 and $25,000. But here's the good news. These costs are highly manageable with smart planning and strategic choices.
The real magic happens in how you design the space. Start by thinking about workflow and functionality. Your kitchen needs clearly defined zones for food preparation, storage, and appliances, with at least 36 inches of traffic lanes between them. Consider your existing plumbing, windows, and doorways as fixed anchors that your design revolves around. The goal is smooth movement for multiple cooks without feeling cramped.
Storage is everything in a small kitchen. This is where custom cabinetry becomes your best friend. By reaching to the ceiling and incorporating smart solutions like pull-out organizers, rollouts, and specialty drawers for spices and plates, you can turn every awkward corner into functional storage. Mix in some glass front cabinets to prevent the space from feeling too closed in, and you've instantly created a kitchen that feels both spacious and organized.
When it comes to countertops and surfaces, you have plenty of options. Granite, quartz, laminate, and butcher block each offer different benefits. Think about durability, maintenance, and cost. The same goes for appliances. Standard appliances might not fit, so apartment-sized or counter-depth models work wonderfully in tight spaces. If you're willing to invest a bit more, modern appliances with features like convection baking, steam cooking, and precision temperature control let you create restaurant-quality meals at home.
Don't forget about lighting and finishes. These details transform how spacious your kitchen feels. Statement pendant lights, under cabinet lighting, and natural light can make a 10 by 10 space feel open and airy. A beautiful tile backsplash, quality hardware, and thoughtful moldings add personality without taking up valuable space.
Now, let's talk budget strategy. If costs feel high, there are smart ways to trim expenses. Choose stock or semi-custom cabinets instead of fully custom options. Go with laminate countertops rather than natural stone. Hunt for close-out appliances and sales. Do your own backsplash if you're handy. Work with your existing layout instead of moving plumbing and electrical lines, which can skyrocket costs. You can also phase your project, starting with affordable updates like paint and lighting, then tackling bigger renovations like cabinetry and appliances later.
Labor typically represents one of your biggest expenses. Plumbers, electricians, cabinet specialists, and general contractors all charge around $70 per hour on average. Make sure you budget for design fees, demolition, installation, finishing work, and inspections. Material costs add up too, from lumber and drywall to tile, flooring, paint, and hardware. Build in a 10 to 15% buffer for unexpected expenses when walls come down.
Here's a critical point many homeowners miss. Set realistic expectations before you start. A full 10 by 10 kitchen remodel typically takes 8 to 12 weeks. If you're living in your home during the renovation, factor in the inconvenience. Have an accurate cost estimate and budget prepared with a 10 to 15% cushion for surprises.
One of the biggest opportunities in a 10 by 10 kitchen is energy efficiency. Look for Energy Star certified appliances and water-saving faucets. These small upgrades not only help the environment, but save you money in the long run. Proper insulation and updated electrical systems also boost efficiency.
The sink and food preparation area deserve special attention. Many homeowners spend 15 to 25% of their total budget on countertops and kitchen furniture. Choose a countertop material and sink configuration that supports multiple cooks and fits your workflow.
Here's the bottom line. A 10 by 10 kitchen remodel is completely doable and can be absolutely stunning. The key is working with an experienced designer who can maximize every inch. Focus on enhancing workflow, visibility, and storage through smart layout and material choices. With the right strategy, even 100 square feet can function like a high-end, chef-grade kitchen.
The average homeowner might see a 10 by 10 space as a constraint, but skilled designers see it as an ideal starting point. With an open mind, clear priorities, and a realistic budget, you're on your way to creating the heart of your home. Invest in durable surfaces and quality craftsmanship, and your petite kitchen will deliver years of joy and functionality. Your dream kitchen isn't about square footage. It's about smart design, strategic choices, and making every moment you spend cooking count.
Always a catch. So, final verdict. If I'm sitting here in 2026 thinking about remodeling, what is my first move?
Start now. Seriously. There is a stability window right now, but tariffs are scheduled to jump again in January 2027. If you want to beat the rush and the price hikes, get your design locked in by mid-year. And check out USA Cabinet Store. They've got the domestic brands that help you dodge those import fees.
Solid advice as always. Thanks for breaking down the math behind the 10 by 10.
Anytime. Happy remodeling.